Yoga is a complete framework for improving the health of the body and the mind. Although numerous people begin to practice yoga for its physical advantage, they promptly start to discover that yoga is significantly more than an exercise program. Yoga offers mental advantage through the act of the asanas and furthermore through meditations, which might be important for all yoga classes. Eventually, yoga moves behind physical and physiological wellness to include spiritual improvement and prosperity. Yoga is so rich and complex that it is all the more effectively allowed to us a healthy lifestyles. On the physical side, yoga asanas are a gentle form of exercise that allows a gradual stretching of muscles. Forwards bends, back bends, twist and inversion from seated, standing and inclined positions. The body itself gives a position, so there is no requirement for extra equipment like the weight utilizations in other exercise program. Bodies toned by yoga exercise are solid without overdeveloped muscles. So, what is the relation between yoga and health? The first is physical well being. Yoga improves blood circulation and overall organ functioning. Second is mental well being. Being bring down stress, upgrade intensity of the relaxations and stamina and present more noteworthy intensity of focus and self control. Third is spiritual well-being. Regulation and change of blood chemistry through appropriate sensitization of neurotropical emissions. These passionate internal vibrations lead one to accomplish the ability to control the psyche and to turn out to be free from impact of external forces compelling one of loss of to equanimity. The fourth is social well-being. Yoga professionals become bright, enjoy conversing with peoples, share issue with champions, and can understand that there are other people also who are selling in the same boat, so that one can undoubtedly mix up in group by more joyful nature. So, what is the role of yoga in your health and fitness? Yoga takes a place main role in their areas. The first is physicals. Second is flexibility. Yoga covers a body to turn out to be more flexible, carrying more tone-worthy range of improvement to muscles and joints. Flexibility in hamstrings, back, shoulders, and hips. Strength. Many yoga poses support the heaviness of your own body in new manners, including balancing on one leg or supporting with arms. Increase strength. Better breathing. Most of us inhale slowly into the lungs and don't really think about how we relax. Yoga breathing activities called pranayam concentrate on the breath and improve lungs limit and posture and fit the body and psyche, which benefit the whole body. A specific kind of breath can likewise help clear the nasal passages and even calm the natural central nervous systems, which has both physical and mental advantage. Heart disease. With less stress and blood pressure, odds of cardiovascular disease and prevented. Increasing blood circulation and fat consuming outcomes to bringing down cholesterol. Diabetes. Yoga stimulates insulin creations and decreases glucose to prevent diabetes. Gastrointestinal. Yoga improves the gastrointestinal capacities in women capacities effectively. Digestions. Yoga help ladies to remain healthy by adjusting digestion result by controlling appetite and weight. Pain prevention. Increased flexibilities and strength can help prevent different strains of back pain. chronic and neck pain can be decreased with yoga practice. The second is psychological. Mental calmness. Yoga asana practice is intensively physical, focusing so early on what the body is doing has the impact of carrying calmness on the psyche. Stress reductions. Yoga gives a genuinely necessary break from stressors as well as helping put things into viewpoint. Yoga control breathing which diminishes tension. It additionally clears all negative emotions and through from the mind promoting decrease in depressions. Focus. Yoga increase concentration and inspiration in the speed time. This is the reason women from all parts of the life practice yoga since better concentration can bring more a better focus on life and cancer. Memory. Yoga stimulates better blood flow particularly to the mind which reduce pressure and improves focus promoting better memory. Body awareness. Doing yoga will give a increased familiarity with your own body. It increases the level of comfort in your own body. This can promote improved posture and more prominent self-confidence. Third is spiritual. Inner constant connections. Yoga can assist with making a bond, a connections among body, a brain is separated from every other advantage. Inner space. Yoga is the main strategy known to us for a better and faster internal peace. Inner peace improves our ability in sitting on compelling choice even in serious condition. The motivation behind life. Yoga is a simple exercise strategy that help various advantage mentally and physically apart from allowing us to achieve internally. In assist with finding the meditations behind life and insider fact to a healthy long life.